I'm tired of being the victim of hate. You're ripping me of my pride, for God's sake. I look like heaven to fulfill this prophecy. Set me free.